Hello everyone, today our topic is hurdles of job for newly hired employees. Before completion the study, it is our dream to join any standard or well-established organization to make our future bright and secure. But it always hurts to get the position in a standard organization. People those are making extra efforts are getting success and good positions, whereas majority are working in medium or small size of the companies and getting average salary. Purpose of this small presentation is to highlight the difficulties for beginners, those are going to join any company or trying to find the opportunity. Assume that you are a fresh degree holder and someone will offer you managerial position in well-established organization. The question is, will you accept it? For sure, 97% of students will say no, and only 3% will try to accept this challenge, and only 1% will get success. Try to focus this point that even you have degree, then why you are not fit for managerial post? Answer is very simple, that you don't have any experience and you don't know how to perform the duties on that position, how to convince to the management, and how you will assign the task and instructions to your subordinate. You are not ready to face hundreds of problems on daily basis, and you will not accept insult and directions from your staff working under you. Means still you need to learn something more. For better understanding, just take some examples from your surroundings, either from your friends, family members, or cousins, who started their career with low salary and switched different fields during the first 2 years. Have you ever tried and identified the reason of leaving the job even after completion of the study? We are dividing the newly hired employees into three different categories. A. Resign and left the companies. Terminated, fired by the companies, left the companies after achieving the target. A. Now we are discussing in details. A. Resign and left the companies. People resign because they are not familiar about their job description, business process, department function and responsibilities. Even they are interested and having ability to learn and willing to work, but small companies are not having any written procedures and policies, and newly hired people are seeking just verbal advices from their seniors or supervisors, and several times difficult to handle the situation and making mistakes again and again, and newly hired people are sensitive with less tolerance power and becoming fed up with such environment and left the company. Category B. Terminated, fired by the companies. Some newly hired people are becoming very happy and relaxed after getting the job and looking separate from other colleagues to do their job and require directions on each and every step, instead of learning and developing the confidence in their personality. Even companies are giving them written policy and procedure, but they are not much interested to read and compliance. Then after certain period of time, after finishing the trial period 3 to 6 months, companies are analyzing their performance and terminating them. Category C. Left the companies after achieving the target. Few smart people or employees are just focusing to join any company without considering the job title, position, salary scale, because they already decided their goals before entering into the company, and their aim is to get the experience and trying to support to everyone in different areas to take the place in the organization and try to learn as much as possible within 3 to 6 months to join another company. Then, just after switching 2 to 4 jobs, within 2 years getting a position of supervisor or manager. Will you believe that same reasons are behind for resignation, termination, and leaving the companies by the employees, which are lack of knowledge, lack of confidence, and not familiar about the business process, departmental function, and responsibilities. So, I would like to suggest to all newly graduate or masters or those are hunting the job, even you don't have any relevant experience in your specific field, but you can teach yourself through net. You can search the videos or literature, watch it and try to educate yourself and get some basic knowledge in your area, which will help you to understand the process. You can also work like a professional and experienced man and get handsome salary and prove your abilities after joining our short courses for business communication, procurement, international buyer, and warehouse management. Okay, friends, hope you like this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to get some more tips or helpful videos to provide you a brief idea and become a useful employee for your company and increase your income level from your first job. Our aim is not generating the money, but want to produce the professionals. We are ready to give the training to individuals and companies or staff for better performance to deliver the assigned task in timely manner and professionally. Please send your queries at biztalk2022@gmail.com to get more